Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to extract text from a picture. So let's start it. I want to extract text from this picture. So let's open Google Chrome or any browser you can use. Then go to Google Drive. Upload your file. After finish upload, right click on your file and navigate to open with and then choose Google Docs. Google Docs allows you to extract text from any image or any language you want. After load image in Google Docs, have a look. Here is your image file and here is the text. Let's try it to other language. I want to make OCR this language. This is Bangla language. So again I go to Google Drive and upload my file. After finish upload, right click on your file, then navigate to open with and then choose Google Docs. Have a look. Here is my image file and here is my extract text file. I can edit or I can remove or I can modify this text. I can copy or paste this file. Google Docs extract my text from image very perfectly. So guys, if the tutorial really helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel because I upload very useful and learning tutorial for you. Also like this video and give feedback by comment on my video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.